Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Ida. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually going to do a review on some clip-in curly extensions from a company called CurlsCurls. And this is my first time actually ever using clip-ins with my curly natural hair. So I'm actually really excited. So they come in one bundle, and in that bundle there's 10 different pieces and they all have different sizes in the pieces. Some are like longer than the others and some are smaller. And they already have like the clips attached to them, which is great because they take so long to do yourself. I used to do them when I had relaxed hair and I would clip in my hair extensions and it just took forever. So I'm really glad these came in already clipped. And so when I first got them, they looked really, really nice, but they were like really perfect curls and I wanted to give them a co-wash first. And I did do that and I let them air dry. I didn't put any product in after, I just co-washed it with regular conditioner and then I let it air dry. So the curl pattern is still there. It just kind of looks a bit more like realistic and natural, like a little bit of frizz, which I like, so that it's easier to blend in with my own hair. So the longer pieces have like about 4 clips, and there's ones that even have like 1 or 2 clips on them. So when you get to the top, you probably want to use like smaller ones to kind of fit in to make it look realistic. So I don't know if I'm going to use all 10. It's a lot, but we'll definitely see what it looks like, and I really hope that it blends in with my texture. This is a wash and go. It's like a refresh wash and go. I do feel like my curl pattern is a 4A/3C, so that's why I got the 4A/3C Kinky Curly Curl pattern. So I'm just taking a really small section at the bottom and then just unclip them. And I like how they have so many clips on each piece because it's so secure that way. All right, so it fit actually perfectly on the bottom. So I'm gonna take the next layer, and I don't wanna like leave too much hair in each layer because it's harder to blend in. Plus like they give you so much hair that like I don't think I'm gonna run out. But I'm really looking forward to the volume this is gonna give me because this combined with my own hair is gonna be like ridiculous volume. So that fits perfectly again. And I'll give you guys a breakdown in the description box, all the details of these clip-ins. All right, I'm starting to see some volume coming in. Wow, okay. Man, I really wish I had high density hair, you guys. And you know what the funny part is, when I first started doing YouTube, I used to always say my hair was high density. Compared to like me and my friends and like even family members, like I do have thick hair. But when I went on Instagram and also, you know, YouTube and watch other YouTubers, like I realized, okay, my hair is definitely not high density. So I would definitely say my hair is medium for sure. All right, so this is gonna go in the back. I really hope I did the spacing properly because I feel like I'm running out of clip-ins. But these type of things, it's always like practice makes perfect because like you never really know how it's gonna like work out, right? And then they have like these smaller ones that just like have 2, which I'll probably put here. Okay, so I put the 2 here and I want to leave just like a little bit of my own hair like right at the edge so that you can still see like my hairline and everything. But wow, feeling it, feeling it. I've seen like so many other girls like play around so much and they even like blow dried their clips and did like a blowout, which I definitely like want to do for sure. It looks actually more realistic, or some of them like really like picked it out and really blended it in, which is amazing. But I wanted to first try it out with the wash and go. So I'm just gonna leave the rest of my hair out now because I have a few pieces left and now I want to be very strategic as to where I put them. And also just like I feel like the more of your own hair on top the better, but you definitely want to like blend it out. But like my hair is always more volume at the top, so that's why I wanted to make sure I used a lot more on the bottom. Okay, so I have 2 more left and they both have just 2. So I think I'm gonna probably put like 1, I think 1 more in the front actually. Because then I'll have longer bangs, which I can't wait to grow my bangs out more. I feel like your hair just looks more full when you have longer bangs. So remember I had longer bangs and my hair looks so much more fuller. Do you see what I mean? Like as soon as you add that in, it's just a different look. Okay, so definitely the ends need to go. So I always cut in a diagonal shape because usually I like it to be like that. The natural shape of my hair, because I did get a diva cup a long time ago. So yeah, so it's a lot shorter. I just want to make sure I don't cut my own hair actually. but my hair, actually my hair is not up until here, so I still can go more, but I'm gonna just slowly, you know, just slowly get there. So diagonal, so slanted down, and then just like straight across. Like already is looking so much better, right? And then some of these are gonna have to for sure be cut, so that, because I have such short layers in the front. But oh my god, is this how my hair is gonna look like when it gets longer? I really hope so, you guys. When I first went natural, I thought this was gonna be the length of my hair in a few years, and so I was like, yeah, like next summer it's gonna be like this length, and I can't wait. Then you don't realize like the shrinkage is real, you know what I mean? And it's like, I don't even wait anymore until it gets that long. I just focus on the health of my hair. And I don't know, I feel like for my hair to be shoulder length while it's fully dry without being stretched, like it needs to be like waist length while it's straight. Like that's how long it's gonna have to be. So I'm definitely not in a rush anymore. And when it happens, you know? So like, you see how like it goes like this, right? So I might have to do some of this off camera, you guys, just to make sure. Wow, you guys, I'm really feeling this. I'm really feeling this. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like with them all in, and I cut in some layers. The only thing that I need to move around is a couple of clips here, because I noticed it's a bit thin, but that's because the way I lined the clips, I should have had it a bit more coming to the front here, just because like this side is thick, right? Like at the bottom. So I definitely could fix that a little bit later. But, and then also what I did was I put a little bit of Perfect Black Edges from Cream of Nature just to kind of like smooth everything in, and kind of tucked a little piece of my hair in like that so that it kind of blends in a bit more. And same with here. I could have left it out, but I feel like to make it look more realistic. And then I also feel like when the gel cast kind of breaks from my own natural hair more, I'll be able to blend in more, because like this hair is actually very, very soft. Or I can put in some product on this hair and then like kind of match it with my wash and go. But I do feel like overall it looks really good. I love the volume. I really wish this was like my own hair. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys have ever tried Kinky curly clip-ins before, and what did you guys think of them, and how did you guys blend them in with your own texture? Did you guys put product in the clip-in extensions, or did you just like leave them? And yeah, so I really like it, and I have a feeling this is gonna look better as days go by, so that I'll be able to blend in a lot better and it will look extra, extra natural. And I like to play around with it too, because like these curls, like they honestly are like way too perfect sometimes, like when they come out of the package. So once I did co-wash it, like it definitely looked more natural for sure. And the one thing I also wanted to say is that they didn't really shed that much, like a little bit of shedding for sure, which I think is natural, but other than that, like not at all. And so I was really happy about that, and I feel like the more I wash them, the more natural they end up looking, which I like, because you know how natural hair is, it's never gonna be like perfect. Maybe on your first day of wash and go, and even that is like maybe, you know. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys like this video, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.